So lately I've been having a problem with my switch. The right controller has switch drift on it, so it kind of seems like it has a mind of its own. You push down and it just keeps going down. You push up and it sometimes jumps up like that. So I'm going to see if I can take it apart and fix it myself. I ordered this kit on Amazon. It was $11, about $11. And it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. Comes with a couple of little spudger tools, some replacement screws, replacement D-pads, some tweezers, a brush for something, I'm not sure what that's for, and then all of your tri-wing screwdrivers, and then some little colored buttons, or colored covers for your D-pad. Alright, let's get into this. I'm being super careful with my screws because they're tiny and I don't want to strip them out. So if you're doing this and it feels like you're causing damage, then just stop and give it a second. Pop right open, so we'll have to get your fingernail in there, or maybe use your little spudger tool to get in there and kind of pry it open. There we go. And there we go. You can take one of these guys and just stick it in there and try to pop that battery out. Looks like it's in there with just some really weak double-sided tape just to keep it in place. Now what we need to do is take off this little plastic piece with the battery in place. I guess for this one I need my tiny little tri-wing screwdriver. But these screws are teeny teeny. Not sure what that is. Maybe some sort of heat sensor. I'm not sure. Looks like got one hiding down there I didn't see. There we go. I really like to just set that to the side without having to. Okay, it popped out anyway. That ought to be fun getting it back in. So there's your D-pad controller button right there. Two little screws and will come right out, but first you need to, if you look at where your D-pad is plugged in, there's a little black tab on the back, and you just need to gently flip that up to pop it out. And then you can just pull your D-pad out. tweezers are good for, is to just kind of gently grab it and plug it in. And flip the little tab back down. And screw that back in place. Tighten these too much, just gently get them in there. Looks like that ribbon cable has a little gray tab that you flip up on it to plug it in. Let's see what that is now. That's part of the wireless. It looks like it fixed it. No more drifty. Push it down, it doesn't try to pop in a different position. So, looks like it fixed it. I guess we'll see how long these cheapo buttons last, but there we go. Cool.